as we are going to learn the VBCS. Okay, but before learning VBCS, we have to understand where VBCS is sitting in the cloud environment. Okay, so that is why I'll going to give a small introduction about the Oracle Cloud offering, and then okay, understand where VBCS is sitting, and then we will going to give introduction of the VBCS web development application. Okay, what is the purpose of VBCS web application development, and then we will deep dive into the VBCS architecture. What VBCS stands for before. Okay, Visual Builder Cloud Service. Okay, and VBCS architecture we will go, and then we will create one application. Okay, sample application. Under the sample application, we are going to see how the structure is formed. Okay,